Meaning of game point.
Game point.
Game point.
Game point.
Game point. Game point is a term used in sports and games that refers to the situation where one player or team is only 1 point away from winning the game. In other words, if they score the next point, they will win the game. This situation can be very tense and exciting for both the players and the spectators, as it could mean the difference between victory and defeat. Players often try to focus all their energy on getting the game point while opponents try to stop them. In summary, game point is the moment when one player or team is just 1 point away from winning the game, and it is a critical point in any sport or game.